What is local time? Local time of any place is obtained by overhead sun at noon. For each degree of longitude, local time varies by 4 minutes. For example, India has 30 meridians, as the longitudinal extent is approximately 68 degrees to 97 degrees east. Therefore, the places between these longitudes will have different local time. Each places on these all the longitudes will have a different local time. So then comes in the concept of the standard time, which is based on the central meridian of a country. Like meridian of India is 82.5 degrees east. So the central meridian is calculated of India to be 82.5 degrees east, and the time whatever is there at this degree is taken as the standard time for the whole country. Otherwise there would be about 30 local times.
That means the earth rotates 15 degrees in 1 hour. Now, if I take India, the longitudinal extent of India is approximately 30-degree longitudes. So, supposing I take the easternmost end of India in Arunachal Pradesh. Say there is a sunrise, and I say the time is 6 o'clock based on the sunrise. After 2 hours, on the other end, that is on the western end of India, people will see sunrise because the longitudinal extent of India is 30 degrees. And we have seen that the earth travels 15 degrees in 1 hour. So for 30 degrees, it is going to be 2 hours. So I can say that in terms of local time, there will be a difference of 2 hours. And we in India don't go by local time. So we have a standard time. And the standard meridian of India is 82.5 degrees. Now, if the entire country follows local time, it will be different at different places. And this would lead to confusion. So we have a standard time and also a standard meridian. And the standard meridian is 82.5 degrees east, passing through Allahabad. In this way, all countries have their standard times. Many countries that are big in size have multiple standard times. Now, different countries have different standard times. Again, this would cause confusion. So, in order to maintain international uniformity, one uniform time corresponding to the prime meridian is adopted by all countries. And this is called as the Greenwich Mean Time or GMT. Now, from GMT, Indian IST is at 82.5 degrees. That means there will be a time difference of 5.5 hours. Because if we travel 15 degrees, time difference is 1 hour, 30 degrees, 2 hours, 60 degrees, 4 hours, 75 degrees, 5 hours, 82.5 degrees. That is, we are adding 7.5. So the time difference will be 5.5 hours. So if it is 12 noon at prime meridian, in India the time would be 5:30 p.m.
Now look at the world map. If you look at the longitudes from extreme one end, it starts and it ends towards the other. And in between, there are so many lines of longitudes. So if a person starts flying from one eastern end to the western end, will he be able to reach at the same time? No, it does not happen. For that, and all these lines, these are known as local lines. When the sun rays is falling at 0 degree prime meridian directly at 12 o'clock, then the whole world, all the places on this line has 12 noon, and then the earth rotates, and the other, suppose 15 degrees west is now facing the sun, so now 15 degrees west will be having the local time. All the places on that line will be having the same local time. Now, in order to avoid the confusion of time in various countries, the time from Greenwich Mean Time is calculated. I have told you it passes from the from London Greenwich Mean Time. Now, from here only the time is calculated for the eastern side and the western side. Now you can see a number of longitudes marked in the whole world map. Therefore, if one starts to move from one side of the country, eastern edge of the country, towards the western edge, then it will take, if he follows all these, it crosses all these continents, a lot of time will be changing, because each and every longitude has its own local time. 0 degree when it's facing prime meridian, when it is facing the sun, it has noon at all the places falling on this line. And henceforth, each and every line, whenever they get the direct rays of the sun, they have noon, meaning all the places on the earth will have noon at different time. So what has to be done? When you travel, you have always seen people, or you must also have adjusted your watch, because you are traveling from one end to the other, crossing various countries. So all the countries now, they make their own standard time. Countries like Russia, when it was together, it had 11 time zones because of its vast east and west extent. Likewise, USA also has five time zones because of its vast east-west extent. Now, one important line, that is Greenwich Mean Time, from where the time of the other country is calculated. Like from India, the difference between GMT, that Greenwich Mean Time, and the IST, that is Indian Standard Time, the difference is 5.5 degrees. Now the standard meridian of India, the central meridian of India, is 82.5 degrees east. Now when we talk about standard time, we have to see that the standard time is always divisible by 7.5, that is half a minute. All the countries which have the standard time, they should be divisible by 7.5. Now the Greenwich Mean Time is important, and the next line which is important is 180 degrees, which is here. It passes through 180 degrees, and you will see that it is a zigzag line. This is also a very important line as far as time is concerned. Children, I think we have discussed quite a few topics today, and it's the time for you to read the book of all the topics and go through the videos which I have sent and understand. So I end the class today. We will be starting with international dateline and the time sums in the next class. Now the questions all will be sent to you on this only, and you do your work and send it to me at the correct mail IDs.